What new attacks has Russia launched amid the Zelenskyy-Putin conflict updates? Recent developments reveal surprising tactics that could reshape this ongoing conflict. Let's uncover the latest strikes and their implications for the region. Recently, Russia intensified its missile campaign, focusing on strategic Ukrainian infrastructure such as power grids and transport hubs. These strikes aim to disrupt supply lines and weaken civilian morale. Satellite imagery confirms multiple launch sites activating, which signals a potential escalation in frequency and scale. This approach reflects a shift from ground offensives to more remote, high-impact tactics that can inflict widespread damage while minimizing Russian troop exposure. Alongside missile attacks, Russia has deployed new troops aiming to regain control over contested eastern regions. These ground offensives involve armored units and artillery, pushing into areas near Donetsk and Luhansk. Despite Ukrainian resistance, these movements show Russia's intent to solidify territorial gains. The combination of ground pressure and missile strikes creates a multi-front challenge for Ukrainian defenders, complicating their strategic response. In addition to physical attacks, Russia has escalated cyber warfare and drone operations. Hacking attempts focus on disrupting Ukrainian military communications and critical infrastructure control systems. Meanwhile, drone strikes target command centers to gather intelligence or cause localized damage. This blend of cyber and drone tactics adds a modern dimension to the conflict, making it harder to anticipate and counter every move. The latest Russian attacks have severely impacted civilians, with power outages affecting millions and forcing evacuations from frontline areas. Disrupted infrastructure means hospitals and schools face critical challenges, and humanitarian aid delivery is complicated. These developments underline how the conflict increasingly harms non-combatants, raising urgent questions about international responses and civilian protection. Russia's new attacks combine missile strikes, ground offensives, and cyber tactics, marking a complex escalation in the Zelenskyy-Putin conflict. Understanding these moves helps you grasp the evolving nature of modern warfare. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay informed with the latest updates.